Nestled in the heart of Paris on the Ile de la Cité, Notre Dame de Paris is not merely a cathedral. It is a time capsule of over 800 years, echoing the many chapters of the city's vibrant history. This magnificent structure, with its intricate stone carvings and ethereal stained glass windows, has stood as a silent witness to Paris' evolution from a medieval city to a modern metropolis. It has endured through wars and revolutions, through times of despair and times of hope, its very existence a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It is the embodiment of Paris itself, timeless, enduring, and forever captivating. The story of Notre Dame begins in 1163, during the reign of Louis VII. The decision to construct a cathedral to rival the grandeur of the grand cathedrals of Europe was taken by Bishop Maurice de Sully. Sully, a man of humble origins, had a vision of a magnificent cathedral that would not only serve as a house of worship, but also as a symbol of Paris' religious and political power. The foundation stone was laid in a solemn ceremony, marking the beginning of a construction project that would span over 2 centuries. As the 12th and 13th centuries rolled on, the cathedral slowly took shape. Stone by stone, a masterpiece was being built. Under the guidance of various architects, the cathedral incorporated the cutting-edge architectural techniques of the period, including the use of flying buttresses, rib vaults, and intricate stone carvings. These innovations allowed the creation of a massive structure with towering walls and large windows, a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the architects and builders of the time. From the coronation of Henry VI as King of France in 1431, to the beatification of Joan of Arc in 1909, Notre Dame has seen triumphs and tribulations that have defined the course of French history. Each of these events left an indelible mark on the cathedral, adding to its rich tapestry of history. However, Notre Dame's journey was not always smooth. In the late 18th century, the French Revolution brought destruction and desecration. The cathedral was repurposed as a food storage warehouse, and many of its religious icons were destroyed or stolen. The once grand edifice was left in a state of neglect, its glory days seemingly in the past. Yet, even in its reduced state, it stood defiant, a symbol of the enduring spirit of Paris. In 1804, in a dramatic turn of events, Napoleon Bonaparte chose Notre Dame for his coronation as Emperor of France. This event marked a new chapter for the cathedral, restoring its status as a symbol of political power. In the mid-19th century, Victor Hugo's seminal novel, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, breathed new life into the cathedral. This literary masterpiece sparked a renewed interest in Gothic architecture and triggered extensive renovations under the supervision of architect Eugene Viollet-le-Duc. In the 20th century, the cathedral stood tall through 2 world wars. It witnessed the occupation of Paris, the liberation of the city, and the subsequent rebuilding. Through it all, the cathedral remained a beacon of hope and resilience, a symbol of the enduring spirit of Paris and its people.
On the evening of April 15, 2019, disaster struck.
A devastating fire engulfed the cathedral. The flames consumed the roof, causing the spire to collapse and damaging the upper walls. The world watched in heartbreak as the fire threatened to erase 8 centuries of history. Yet, even in its charred state, the cathedral remained defiant. In the aftermath of the fire, France and the global community rallied in support. Funds poured in from around the world, and a commitment was made to restore the cathedral to its former glory. Today, the cathedral is once again a construction site. Through its journey from inception to restoration, Notre Dame de Paris has stood as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It has weathered wars, revolutions, and fires, yet it remains standing, an embodiment of the enduring spirit of Paris. As we look forward to the day when the cathedral once again opens its doors to the public, we are reminded of its rich history and its symbolic importance to Paris and the world. Notre Dame de Paris, a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity, a beacon of hope and resilience, and an ongoing story that continues to inspire. If you are interested in visiting Notre Dame in Paris, check out the link in the description below to see how you can see this beautiful building up close with an expert guide. If you liked the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.